Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to paint with tiling automatically in Photoshop. This will let you visualize what the texture is going to look like and lets you draw anywhere to fix the seams both vertically and horizontally. So all you're going to do is go to View and then Pattern Preview. This will let you paint with a regular brush and erase like normal, except you are not constrained to this blue area. You can draw anywhere. Alright, here is the texture finished. I'm going to export that and bring it into Unity. Please check out my other projects and video on normal maps. Thank you.